Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Honorable to all the judges, Your Excellency to all the audiences. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fedlyn, an graduate of Gema Nurani Junior High School, Bekasi. Dear my friends, it's an honor to me to use this opportunity to share with you all about how to use water well and wisely. Water is one of the most important substances for life on Earth to function. It is equally important for us humans, animals, and plants. Water is necessary for the survival of living beings. Without water, all organisms in the world will die. Water is important not only for drinking, but also for our day-to-day life purposes like bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing, and so on. A person can live about a month without food, but only about a week without water. Today, 785 million people, 1 in 9, lack access to safe water, and 2 billion people, 1 in 3, lack access to a toilet. People are struggling to access the quantity and quality of water they need for drinking, cooking, bathing, hand washing, and growing their food. Access to safe water can protect and save lives just because it's there. Access to safe water has the power to turn time spent into time saved when it's close and not hours away. Access to safe water can turn problems into potential, unlocking education, economic prosperity, and improved health. The water crisis is a health crisis. Access to safe water and sanitation contributes to improved health and helps prevent the spread of infectious disease. It means reduced child and maternal mortality rates. It means reduced physical injury from constant lifting and carrying heavy loads of water. My friends, to sum up, there are 4 major water problems facing the world today. Firstly, climate change is warming the planet, making the world's hottest geographies even more scorching. Secondly, natural infrastructure is being ignored. Plants and trees are essential for replenishing groundwater. Without them, rainfall will slide across dry land instead of seeping into the soil. Thirdly, about 30% of Earth's fresh water lies deep underground and is extracted daily for farming, drinking, and industrial processes, often at dangerously unsustainable rates. Last but not least, water is often wasted. About 80% of the world's wastewater is discharged back into nature without further treatment or reuse. Access to clean water changes everything. It's a stepping stone to development. When people gain access to clean water, they are better able to practice good hygiene and sanitation. Children enjoy good health and are more likely to attend school. Parents put aside their worries about water-related diseases and lack of access to clean water. Instead, they can water crops and livestock and diversify their incomes. Actions to save water, such as shorter showers, not using as many utensils, and others, bring a big positive effect to both us here and everyone in the world. The money spent on water bills will decrease quite drastically, and others can get access to pure water like we do every day. That's all for my speech today. Hope we can learn from it and save the water for our life better and wiser. I would like to say sorry if there are any mistakes. That's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.